Hi there! Welcome to SUNNET's International Product Launch. I'm Milo. Look at Toby and his mom. Math time isn't going so well. That's right, many families face the same little challenge. Kids get bored with learning, and parents don't always know how to help. This time, Toby is heading to a new place on a learning adventure.
Let's go! We did it! We're almost in LA! I'm so excited! Wow! How did I run into everyone here? In lively LA, there are interesting things everywhere you go. Huh? What's inside this box? Whoa! Oops! Whoa! I'm inside a digital learning world! Time to solve the challenge and find my way out! Yay! I fixed it!
See? Learning can feel just like stepping into a story. It's not boring at all. That's the secret. And when you try, play, and explore along the way, it feels like you're leveling up. Step by step, everyone can grow stronger and smarter. My team and I come from the beautiful island of Taiwan. We have nearly 40 years of experience in curriculum development and classroom teaching. From one classroom to today, we have worked with hundreds of schools and grown together with hundreds of thousands of learners. And now, we're bringing this passion to many more places around the world. Because we have always believed that learning is meant to be fun. Come on, let me show you more.
Hey Milo, look, are they racing to see who can build it faster?
That's called learning through play. It can turn ideas into something you can really build with your hands. That feels pretty great, doesn't it?
Are they playing a video game? I want to play too.
It looks like a game, but it's actually teaching you how to think. Every move starts with observing, thinking, and deciding what to do next.
So, do mom and dad have to teach us like teachers?
Not at all. Parents are the best learning partners. They can ask questions, explore together, and help find answers with you. That's already wonderful.
Wow! So if we clear all these challenges, will we become super smart?
Even better than just clearing the level. You'll unlock 4 amazing super skills. Observing, asking questions, thinking, and expressing yourself bravely.
Oh, so these skills work together like a combo move.
Exactly. Digital lessons, hands-on learning tools, and story-based materials. This 3-in-1 system is your super gear for growing stronger.
Wow! So when we play and learn at the same time, learning can actually be really fun.
That's right! With a new way to learn, learning can become a super cool adventure. Want to join the adventure? We made it easy to jump in. Just scan the QR code to get started. Start today and grow stronger with us through learning step by step.